Welcome back friends. In 2023 OnePlus have gone crazy. हर प्राइस रेंज में एक फ़ोन लॉन्च कर रहा है. पहले OnePlus 11 जो कि फ्लैगशिप लेवल पे था, उसके बाद OnePlus 11R, OnePlus Nord C Lite which is under 20k, OnePlus Nord 3 and now we get OnePlus Nord CE 3 5G. So let's open the box. Blue black white, not. तो बॉक्स ओपन करने के बाद वन प्लस का लोगो ब्लैक कलर के और प्रीमियम है, बहुत प्रीमियम. तो व्हाट वी गेट, लेट्स चेक केस. वाओ नाइस केस. वी गेट डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, सेफ्टी गाइड, क्विक गाइड, नॉट स्टिकर, मेंबरशिप कार्ड, सिम इजेक्टर टूल एंड नॉट. ओके, तो और कुछ नहीं है. Put them side. Case is very nice. Okay, so we get NORD. Wow, first expression is very nice. It is shiny. No friends, it is not glass, it is plastic. Nice. It is plastic. So case use कीजिए दोस्तों, नहीं तो क्रैच और फिंगरप्रिंट्स आ जाएगा obviously. Very beautiful. Okay, put them aside and let's check what are there. We get 80 watt super hook charger and obviously red type A to type C data cable. So this is about it. So let's put them aside and talk about the phone. If I look at the ports and button, in bottom we get speaker grill, charging type C, microphone, SIM card tray. ऊपर की तरफ भी बिजी है. If you see, we get speaker, we get IR blaster, interesting. We get noise cancellation port. On this side we get volume rocker, on off button, and this side is empty. So yeah, finger on display fingerprint. Now if I talk about display, we get a fluid AMOLED 6.7 inch FHD plus display which is 120 Hz as you can see here and 240 Hz touch sampling rate. And if I talk about brightness, so it is 915x brightness, which is not too high, but you will don't face any problem in outdoor condition. Now if I talk about the specification, we get Qualcomm Snapdragon 782G which is a 6 nm based processor and जिसका AnTuTu score है near about 7 lakh. So it is very nice phone. And if we take care about the RAM and ROM, we get two variants, that is 8GB, 2GB, that is 12GB, and we get a type of LPDD R4X type. And if we talk about storage, it is 128GB, 256GB, which is UFS 3.1. Now if I talk about battery, we get 5000 mAh battery with 80 watt super hook charger. So you don't face any problem, because if the battery ends also within 1.5 days, it will take 20 minutes to again refill. So no problem with that. If I talk about OS, we get Oxygen OS 13.1 which is based on Android 13. So let us test it. See, you get Android 13 out of the box. If I talk about major update, we get 2-year major software update and 3-year security update. So no problem with that. You will get 13, 14, 15. No problem. It is future proof. Now if I talk about gaming, you get medium to high setting at 60 FPS and we get no heating issue after playing a long term. More than 5 hours we played, but we don't face any heating issue. So it is very nice in case of gaming. No processor, because we get liquid vapor cooling system. Now if I talk about multimedia, we don't have 3.5 mm jack, but the speaker is crazy. We get a very good speaker, Dolby Atmos support speaker. It is beautiful. If I talk about sensor, we have all the sensors including fingerprint scanner, which is fast and nice. Okay, fast, it is fast. We have IR blaster, so you can control AC remote, AC and TV. We have NFC, so all the sensor we have. Now if I talk about the camera, we get primary sensor of 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 and 8 megapixel wide and 2 megapixel macro, and front is 16 megapixel, which is very optimized. अगर मेन सेंसर की बात करें तो लो लाइट परफॉर्मेंस डिसेंट एंड वाइड इज़ एवरेज, कलर शिप थोड़ा सा है, पर मेन कैमरा ऐसी पिक क्लिक करना वो बेटर है, पर लो लाइट पे थोड़ा डिम हो जाता है. आई विल अटैच सम पिक्चर एग्जाम्पल्स, यू वॉच इट. Now if I talk about video, we get from rear camera we get 4K 30 fps and 1080p 30 fps in front with OIS. So 4K video support करता है with OIS, so image stabilization है, which is great. With all this you get a crazy combo which comes in 2699. So if you ask me, I will suggest you to buy the higher variant, because with paying only 2000 rupees you get 4GB RAM extra and 256GB storage, so it is far better by paying 2000 rupees extra. So I suggest that, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech video like this. We will very soon we will bring the review test of 1 month, so stay tuned for that and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.